Yo, what's going on, guys? Today, this video is going to be a trade recap over the L that I took today. Um, Only $100 loss on today. Actually, less than $100, $90 loss today. It was one micro. I knew it was an A plus, and I know I want to stick to my rules, but I thought this might have potential. But thank goodness it was just another learning lesson. It was not a good trade. It did not hit. You can see on the screen here. Today was already going to be weird since it's the day after the first day of the ceasefire in Iran with Trump. And you can see this is before he said he was going to launch missiles. Actually, it was like right here. It was around here at 6:30. Wow, that's crazy. 30 minutes before. Wow, that's actually crazy. 30 minutes before the news, you can see, look how many people shorted. You see this? That's a diabolical candle right there. And then he announced that he was going to do ceasefire, and then we proceeded to pump all night pretty much. Literally like all night. And then market open, we dump just a little bit, and we pump all the way back up. Now, there were there should have been at least two trades that I would have taken today. We had this big dump. If we go in replay mode and we go to the bottom of the dump, and we put a volume profile there, you can see that we're looking at this black line right here. We speed it up. It's in the yellow, which is what we like. We like it in the yellow. It's even below the yellow. Boom. Tap right there. We would have shorted this right after the tap. Stop there. TP there. And we would have got stopped out. Okay, so that would have been an L for the day. I probably would have lost a lot of money on that, actually. So thank goodness I was not shaking the chart when that happened. That would have been an L that I would have taken that. Then I didn't take any more trades. Let's just exit. No more trades until right here. Let's do replay mode. Let's go right here. All right. So we just had this pump up after sweeping this low, and we did not hit any liquidity with this. We didn't even take off this high. So it's pretty obvious that it might be bullish. I think it's reasonable to assume that it might be bullish. And we have a VAL line lining up in the purple and yellow, and that's what we love to see. And so, boom, there's our tap. Trade would have been right as we enter there. Stop at this red. TP at this red. For about a 1-to-1. But as you can see, we never hit TP. And I want to say I would have played it safe after this big candle pushed all the way up. And I want to say I would have gone break even. I don't know if I would have, but I checked when I looked at the charts, we were like right here actually. And I went in one micro if we re-tap this 50%. And I knew it was a low probability trade. That's why I went the lowest risk I was able to go. But I thought there might be a chance because it did look like it might be a great setup. Although we did inverse this 5-minute. And we inversed this 5-minute, which I probably should have seen. And we're kind of forming a head and candles, head and shoulders right here. But we didn't take out any liquidity, so none of that really matters. So anyway, we got pretty swiftly stopped out. Very interesting. Yeah. So, yeah, those are the two trades. This is a probably this is probably like a C or D rated trade. But I low key I got a little trigger happy. Like I really wanted to get in a trade. I haven't taken a trade in like almost a full week. Which is actually probably a good idea since it's been kind of chaotic. Um, so this is a good reason to when you get like this close, put the stop to break even, and or don't, or you can hold it. Sometimes it won't hit it and it'll come back up after it hits the green line, the 0.618 line. But for me, I think I'm just gonna go break even, or at least subtract my stop loss. But yeah, C rated trade. The reason it's C rated is because we already tapped. And so you don't want to get it on the second tap. You want to get on the first tap. And then you can see that we almost hit it. We kind of faked it out and then we just kept going lower. And often when it fakes out and comes and retaps, it's just going to continue dumping. So that's why it'd be rated C. Obviously, sometimes it doesn't do that. But majority of what I've back tested, you can see here, 70% win rate. You can see that back tested about 2 years, and that's what I've observed. That's all for this video, and yeah, we'll go on to tomorrow. I haven't even checked the news. Thursday, no news in the morning. Nothing that we need to be concerned about. We do have CPI, which is going to be very, very interesting. I'm assuming it's going to be very bullish, but it might like shoot straight down. But we're going to get up at 7:30 so we can, man, it's going to be a long day Friday, but we're going to trade that 0.5 retracement of the CPI candle. So that should be good. Should get a trade off that. And yeah, so we'll have at least one trade. We're gonna be risking 1,000 on this, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. We might risk 1,000. We are if we get a good trade that I feel confident on. But right now, currently on the account, we are down. Oh, it's in a replay mode. About 640. $640. Which is fine. We have like 1,200 left, I think. 1,400 left, I mean. So about 1.5K, we'll just round it. About 1.5K left in drawdown, that's fine. And we have a free reset on the account. So we're chilling, like we're super chilling. It's only April 8th. You just saw my email. You can email me if you want. What email was that? Dang. Oh, wait, you can't see. It's on the other monitor. I got saved. All right. That's going to be all for this video. Peace.